Hello again, friends. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Spiegel Mom Scraps design team and layouts. I'm going to use the lovely Roy G Biv. Look at this. It's the rainbow. I need this. This is just beautiful. Because of that, I have the Vicki Boutin color study. You guys, all my Vicki Boutin and all of my Paige Evans I am trying to do into page kits so that I can take to my July and August crops to use up, just because that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing this photo here of the China Lights in Wisconsin from She Loves Color last year. I'm going to mat it with this. I'm going to take this little cutie patootie. Come on. Stencil from the collection. And I'm actually, that's what I'm using on my Vicki Boutin and Paige Evans, is to do my She Loves Color and stuff. And I'm going to stencil all around. I'm going to put the photo somewhere over here. But we're going to use the Roy G Biv as well. So I've got some modeling paste. Just Liquitex, nothing special. We're just gonna, so this is gonna dry all white. So we're just gonna get that on there. I'm gonna try to stay within the circle, but you know how things go, right? And then I'm gonna squeege, which there's half ones in here, and I wish there wasn't half ones, but there is. So I'm gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. So this is gonna be quite the process. Excuse me. So we've got that there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and like match it back up, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And try our darndest not to really put a lot of pressure over there. So I usually end up with mixed media all over me anyway. So we're just going to do that. I am going to go all the way around, and then I'm going to take sequins later and I'm going to glue them into the center. So I'll be back for that part. I'll be back. Alright, it is all dry. I've got this popped up on some foam and stuck down. Now we're going to do some tone on tone, and I just think this is just super cool. Oh, I can't see today. So we're just going to go ahead and get this. This has got like some orange, some yellow, and some green, so not all that tone on tone, but we are going to put that right there. We don't need anything from there. What do we got over here? All of these fun little elements. Just kind of see what we want to use. Maybe we'll just go with the arrows. I'm going to have to put glue on everything, you guys, because going on top of that texture paste, it's going to be a little bit hard to stick. We're just going to come in and add some things however we feel. We're going to use all these fun arrows. Are there any more? I guess I've used them all. Now what do we got? Let's look in here. Not so much. Not much at all. So this was, we're going to put this as like, this is a special day. I don't really have much to play with, so we're just going to forget the tone on tone. We're going to tone on tone with the sequins, not secrets. Let's get this little guy right here. I'm just going to come in and scatter them around. I think that's going to be really fun to do. And like I said, not a lot left in this collection here. So let's see what's over here. We've got documented, do all the things, good friends. It's just too big. That is why I'm trying to use all of this stuff up, because it's not my style anymore, you know? It is beautiful, bright, bold colors. But do I really need the whole collection? No. No, I don't. Live in the moment. Everything's going to be all right. You and me. Today rocked. See, still just too big. All right. Now we gotta just figure these things out. Let's see. Actually, like this. Let's use that as a border across the bottom here. So we need to get some liquid glue under there just to hold that down. Just making sure that it gets enough. This is a nice little base for what we've got going on, right? And then we'll start scattering the hearts around. We will tone on tone with these. Let's just put this guy right here. And we'll use the stars as well. Hearts and stars, baby, hearts and stars. And we're going to kind of go on the edge there. We just get a little bit of something everywhere, right? And we get the pink. So if you guys checked out the new release and everything that's fun in the shop, because you do not want to miss out on everything that's coming. So I'm just kind of picking and choosing the ones that are going on the inside and the ones that are going on the outside. Oh. Still with the tone on tone though, because I find that to be kind of fun. So we're tone on tone with that. I can title this, let's go this way so that it's more on the yellow. Great Adventures. Okay. Now we're going to come in with the most important part of this layout is the sequins. So I got my sequin picker. which is different from your nose picker. No, I'm sorry. That was just wrong. We got the Roy G. Biv collection because, you know, I'm in love with the rainbow. I'm just going to sprinkle some in my little sequin bowl. And then we're just going to, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to put a little dot in the center of these guys. And we're going to make our way around picking out all the colors, right? So this is going to be the purple, which are mighty big. I like them. And they're like iridescent, so they're fun. Come on. Maybe. Maybe I will. Let's see if we can grab some of these bigger ones to go over here. And then we just kind of pop them in. I need a few more of these guys. So I probably should have switched those, but at this point, you know what? It's done. I'm okay with it. And one more to go here. Okay, so that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and fill this all in, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys. I know there's not a lot of embellishments, but I love it. I love that it's very mixed media. It's very simple. I did take a Sharpie and just go ahead and draw that line right there. We've got this glued down, the different purples. I like the tone on tone with the mixed media, and then just a little bit of the embellishments popped around, just because I don't have very much to go with this collection. And I'm okay with that because I really think that it's gonna work. So there were a few things that we could come in and just kind of put us around the layout a little bit more. You know, we'll come back and get some additional glue on those. Do a little, adjust the details down here. And put this guy. Nope. He needs to just come back down here with the other one. Honestly, I love it. I really do. I think that is so cool. So find a stencil that you can add sequins to. Look how cool that is. So it's just a beautiful little thing. Don't forget to pick up those Roy G. Biv sequins over at Spiegel Mom Scraps. And I will see you later with another video. Bye.